I started coming to the Boys and Girls Club when I was 11. One of my best friends told me about it. Eventually it got to the point where I wanted to come each and every day. I enjoyed seeing all of my friends. I enjoyed the activities that they gave us.
He started saying he wanted to go every day, so I was like, okay, something's going on in there. And he just changed. Virginal used to be real quiet and a loner, stay to himself, but he started coming out.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
I just saw a total difference in him, total difference. And I know if he didn't come to the Boys and Girls Club, he wouldn't be, you know, the young man that he is. I laid part of the foundation, but they built most of the house around it.
I met a lot of very influential adults in my life. One is Mr. Hatcher. Ever since I've been here, he's pretty much been helping me out. He's been kind of one of my main guides.
In basketball, I worked with him a little bit in his basketball game. And he has improved tremendously since he's been a little young child in the club.
He's taught me many different things. He's helped me out with so much.
And I told him with the people in his life, Mr. Hatcher, the Boys and Girls Club, I told him there was no excuse for him to fail.
Each and every day I came to the Boys and Girls Club, it was always someone at the club telling us, if you're not in college, if you're not trying to pursue a degree, life is going to be tough. After a while, I started looking for colleges. Colleges started looking for me.
I'm glad he's going to Mercer for academics, but not athletics.
I will be attending Mercer University on a presidential scholarship in the fall.
I'm very proud of Virgil, and I told him that he's sets the example for a whole lot of other kids that maybe, you know, didn't get the opportunities that he has, you know, didn't get the opportunity to come to the Boys and Girls Club and to meet up with these, the staff here, because there's awesome staff here. They made a true difference in Virginal's life.
One of my friends asked me, how did I know the Boys and Girls Club work? I pointed at Virginal, at leading colleges of universities, knocking at his door, asking him, can you attend my college? Would you attend my university? And that's big coming from a child that grew up in Bloomfield. Are we proud of him? Yes, we are.
They did an awesome job, and I would recommend this place to anybody.
But if you make a good sound investment in our young people, you will certainly get a great return. And this is a good example of the return you can get by investing in United Way and investing in your community. I believe I can soar. I see me running through that open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly.